Alright guys, there's date and time on a Quadrant 620. In this video, we're going to ride one of the elevators here in the Northwest Quadrant, Building B, University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now this elevator here is actually for staff only, but honestly, I don't really care because this elevator is an old Otis with touch sensitive buttons and they're very rare to find, so we're going to take a ride in them anyways. Let's go do it. Yep, see? Touch sensitive. And here it is. See? Notice. Let's get into the basement. If we can or not. Okay, maybe not. So we'll have 5 done. Alright, 5. Classic levels. And I think it does classic level. I didn't really see it real well, but the camera sure did. So I'll go down to the ground if we can. Okay. Guess we can't go to the ground. Let's try 1. There we go. So now get a cab view. It's pretty nice elevator for its time period. Not sure if this wooden panel is original though, but yeah. Anyways, here at 1. And it does indeed classic level. So here's the indicator up there. The key switch is right there. Here are your buttons. Got some placeholder ones here. And there's your phone. Just for the hell of it, we'll do an impact cam so you guys can see a classic leveling. I'm going to put the camera, I'll put it right here. I don't know if it's going to really capture anything, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to send up to 5. And get ready for some epicness. That was awesome. And because we can't seem to call this down to the ground, we're just going to go down to 1. I could call the elevator from the ground level from outside, but I can't call it down to the ground from inside. It's okay though, at least this elevator works. Now let's get out of the elevator. So there the elevator goes. Actually, you know what? I got an idea. Let's. Oh, never mind. I can't even. Can I even press the? I can't press these buttons. They locked off these buttons so students don't use it because, according to the sign, students cannot use this elevator. But somehow I was able to call it from the ground, so that's good. But yeah, that was the Otis Touch elevator here in Northwest Quadrant, Building B. And that's going to be it.